Hello friends, I'm Akash, and a hearty welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, we're going to be learning a simple mathematical trick to calculate the percentages of these numbers. 30% of 80, 20% of 70, 50% of 24, and 70% of 60. Let's take a look at each of these problems. Let's begin with 30% of 80. Now, the usual way to do this is to pretty much make both of these fractions. So in this case, we would have 30% become 30 over 100 and 80 become 80 over 1. So now what we have is 30 over 100 times 80 over 1. Now we can begin to simplify this equation. First, we can get rid of the zeros in 30 and 100, and pretty quickly we're left with 3 over 10 times 80 over 1. Then we can remove the zeros in 10 and 80 to get 3 over 1 times 8 over 1. And this is 3 times 8, which is 24. So the answer to 30% of 80 is 24. Now, this is the easy way to do this. But guess what this means? This means that 30% of 80 is 3 times 8. In other words, all you really have to do, instead of going through the hassle of, creating the fraction and simplifying the equation, all you really have to do is just cancel out the zeros in 30% of 80. Now you have 3 and 8, and then multiply what's left. So 30% of 80, cancel out the zeros, you get 3 times 8, which is 24. And that is the answer. Let's take a look at some more examples. Say 20% of 70. Now, 20% of 70, just cancel out the zeros and multiply 2 times 7. And 2 times 7 is 14. So 20% of 70 is 14. Let's take a look at another example. 70% of 60. Now, 70% of 60, just cancel out the zeros and multiply what is left. 7 times 6. And 7 times 6 is 42. So the answer is 42. Let's take a look at one final example. 50% of 24. Now, what you could normally do in this case, and given this is quite interesting, because, 24 doesn't end in a 0, but in this case, canceling zeros pretty much means dividing by 10. You can notice that there's actually an easier way to do it. If it's 50%, that's the same thing as dividing by 2, and 24 divided by 2 is 12. So 50% of 24 is 12. Now that you know how to do this simple mathematical trick to easily calculate the percentages of these types of numbers, it's homework time. Try to figure out what 40% of 60 is, what 80% of 80 is, what 60% of 30 is, and what 10% of 80 is. Make sure to comment your answers down in the comment section below, and for your convenience, the answers to each of these questions is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Love you, Akash.